So in this video, we'll be modeling the bearing puller's main body. Open a new part, and we'll be working on the XZ plane using the arc circle command. We'll draw a 19 radius circle. We'll then habilitate the extrude command, applying the operation to both sides with a distance of 19.5 each, totaling 39. Activating the XY plane, we'll draw a rectangle with the relative point from the cylinder's center to the outside. The uppers and bottoms distance will be 2, and the rectangle's length will be 53. To add a chamfer on the upper phase on the sketch, I'll apply a 17 offset to this line, and from this point, I'll add a 210-degree angled line. Then, with line partial erase, we'll eliminate everything we don't want from this sketch. As we're used to, we're adding the holes using the arc circle command, and its thickness will be 25. Before applying the pattern, we'll round it using the fillet command Now we're activating the circular pattern command, and on the tree command, we'll select every operation we'd like to repeat. On that option box, we'll add 3 as the repetition number and 120 degrees as angulation. We'll then habilitate the rotation axis and select the rotation center for that operation. Select OK and finish the command. We're now adding the 3D threaded hole. Habilitate the hole command, and we'll add a simple through hole with a diameter of 15. With helix curve, we'll draw the spiral in this hole, selecting the superior edge to keep it in the direction we want. We'll draw the spiral with a 5-step, and the number of revolutions will be 9. Activate a new sketch, this one on the XY plane. From the spiral's origin point, we'll draw a square to the hole's external direction. It'll be at 2.5 per 2.5. We'll then habilitate Sweep, and we'll select the first path the operation must follow, then its format. Habilitate Cut to remove material. When we finish it, I'll take the spiral's visibility. To finish our part, we'll alter its material to cast iron on the Color and Material tab. And our main body is ready. Well guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.